2024 Li Auto L6 programming is here. No need to remove the C or disconnect power. We will use Li Auto and NlO, 2-component wire bundle, and our K518 PRO.
Let's do it now. Disassemble the main driver's flap. Break the buckle. The baffle has been removed. Find the BCM box. Unplug the blue plug. Connect the Li Auto and NlO 2-component wire bundle. Now we will connect the plug back to the BCM box. Plug in OBD. Finally, connect with the OBD head of our K518 PRO. Now we start to do the all key lost. Select NlO and remote. Li Auto. L6, 2024 to 2026. Smart key. First we read key count. Wi-Fi is connect. Select OK. Key count is 0. Click OK. Now we select program smart key. OK. This function can program up to 2 keys. Click OK to continue. Now, we will delete all smart key and reprogram key. OK. Delete succeed. Now we put the key to be programmed in the induction area. And click OK. No need to continue program next one. Click cancel. Programming complete. Key program successful. Let's test if the key works. Hit the brakes. Started successful. Let's get out of the car and test the remote control. Unlock. Lock the car. Remote control is normal. Let's try the remote control lift window function again. Long press the unlock button. Press the lock button. Lift window function is normal.
We do the all key loss for this car successfully. The new key all functions are normal. See you next time.